Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best headphones for electronic drum that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the VDrum stereo headphones. This headphone is perfect for private practice. The headphone with wide dynamic range and extended frequency response turns out to be an ideal headphone for electronic drummers. This headphone also delivers high quality and optimized sound. Moreover, the headphone delivers the crystal clear stereo output. The headphone is ideal for studio monitoring and mixing. The closed-back design of this headphone only delivers sound to your ears. The headphone also has an adjustable and sufficiently padded headband to provide superb comfort. Furthermore, this circumaural design exactly fits around your ears to prevent all the noises even in the loudest environment. The headphone includes a cord ended with a gold-plated plug. The single-sided cable of this headphone supports a tangle-free operation. This headphone provides you with a detailed sound with perfect noise isolation. Moving on, at number 4, we have the two closed-back studio headphones. The closed-back dynamic design of this headphone offers a clear sound with powerful bass and crisp highs. This professional-grade headphone also produces the pristine highs, clear mid-range, and low ends. Moreover, the foldable design of this headphone allows easy portability. The closed-back design of this headphone only delivers sound to your ears. This headphone is ideal for studio mixing, monitoring as well as an electronic drumming session. This headphone also delivers sensitive and extended frequency response. Furthermore, the headphone has the padded ear cushions and a padded headband for all-day wearing comfort. This headphone comes with a 9.8 feet audio cable. The headphone includes a 3.5mm snap-on cable and a 6.3mm cable adapter. The single-sided cable allows a tangle-free operation each time. This headphone fits into your recording or performing workflow. At number 3, we have the adapter FreeDJ stereo monitor headphones. You get the accurately balanced audio output with this headphone. The headphone is a professional-grade headphone to serve the professional studio mixing and monitoring, DJ playing, and the electronic drummers. The headphone with the 50mm large aperture, also the driver with neodymium magnets, delivers the crystal clear and high-quality stereo audio output. Moreover, this headphone responsibly offers the impactful bass, crisp, high tones, and clear vocal audio output. This is one of the best headphones for electronic drum, and it also comes with a DJ-style 9.8-foot cord. This cord with a really long length easily reaches from the monitor screen to your drums. Furthermore, this headphone with a high-quality padded ear cups provide you with accurate noise isolation. Even these ear cups with the adjustable and flexible headband give you the most comfortable wearing experience. This headphone set includes a 6.3 and 3.5mm detachable audio cables. The gold connectors and OFC cord of this headphone provide you with stable and reliable signal connection and transmission. At number 2, we have the stereo studio headphones. This over-ear design of this headphone is to deliver the comfortable working session for the professional studio artists. The headphone also has the semi-open technology for airy highs and solid bass. Moreover, this headphone comes with the VeroMotion 30mm XXL transducer, which is already patented. This is to offer seamless transfer of signal. This headphone is ideal for the electronic drummers that it has a high dynamic range. The headphone also comes with a self-adjusting function for a comfortable fit around the ears. Furthermore, this headphone is responsible for delivering the crystal clear highs, accurate mids, and slid low end. The headphone comes with a powerful bass response with closed design. The headphone is perfect for using in the studio, live concerts, or orchestras. This headphone is highly praised by professional musicians and audio engineers. And finally, at number 1, we have the Studio 3 wireless over-ear headphones. The headphone comes with the active noise cancelling ANC technology. This technology of this headphone effectively prevents any external noises. The over-ear design of this headphone also has the real-time audio calibration to deliver a premium listening experience which soothes your ears even after using for a long time. Moreover, this wireless headphone with a really long battery life runs up to 22 hours. This headphone flawlessly connects with the Apple chip via Bluetooth. This headphone also comes with an ergonomic design. Furthermore, the over-ear design of this headphone has its own 2.0 USB cable for on-the-go charging. This headphone comes in a hard shell carrying case. The adjustable and flexible headband of this special headphone allows a comfortable wearing experience. With 10 minutes of charging, this active noise-canceling headphone gives you 3 hours of audio listening time effectively. This is one of the best headphones for electronic drum, and Beats is one of the premium headphone brands in the world. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.